San Jose, California food. San Jose, California, offers a diverse culinary scene, with a wide range of food options to suit every taste. Here are some popular types of cuisine and specific restaurants to try in San Jose. Vietnamese cuisine. Vung Tao Restaurant. Known for its authentic Vietnamese dishes such as pho, spring rolls, and bun cha. Bun Bua Hue and Nong. Specializes in bun bua hue, a spicy beef noodle-esque look from central Vietnam. Mexican cuisine. La Victoria Taqueria. Famous for its orange sauce and delicious tacos and burritos. Iguana's Taqueria offers a wide selection of Mexican street food, including tacos, quesadillas, and burritos. Japanese cuisine. Sushi Confidential. A popular spot for sushi lovers offering creative sushi rolls and Japanese dishes. Sushi Maru, known for its conveyor belt sushi and extensive menu of sushi and sashimi. Italian cuisine. Paisano Ristorante Italiano offers traditional Italian dishes such as pasta, pizza, and risotto in a cozy atmosphere. Maggiano's Little Italy specializes in classic Italian-American dishes served family style. American cuisine. The Table features a farm-to-table menu with locally sourced ingredients and modern American dishes. Original Joe's. A classic diner serving American comfort food, including steaks, burgers, and pasta. Seafood. The City Fish, known for its fresh seafood dishes, including fish and chips, clam chowder, and seafood platters. Scott's Seafood offers a variety of seafood options including crab, shrimp, and oysters. Asian Fusion. Tommy's Sushi and Seafood Buffet, a buffet-style restaurant offering a wide selection of Asian dishes including sushi, sashimi, and hot entrees. Nemia Greek Taverna combines traditional Greek cuisine with California influences, offering dishes like souvlaki, moussaka, and spanakopita. Middle Eastern cuisine. Falafel's Drive-In, famous for its falafel sandwiches, hummus, and Middle Eastern specialties. Oren's Hummus offers authentic Israeli cuisine including hummus, falafel, and shawarma. These are just a few examples of the diverse culinary options available in San Jose. Whether you're craving international flavors, comfort food, or fine dining experiences, you're sure to find something to satisfy your palate in this vibrant city. Find more vlogs at https://www.souphats.com. Ready to transform your travel dreams with a sustainable digital income? Launch your digital business in a day with MRR courses. Scale effortlessly with nuBeginning Success. Tribe's comprehensive resources.